Hello, middle school. Mr. Young here for student government today. It is election week. That means we're going to vote on who gets to become president. Whoever wins first place in the election gets to be the president, and whoever is the runner-up will become the vice president. How are we going to do this? Well, I'm sure I've linked it in a message or an announcement by now, but if you just come to the student government course page, you can see click here to vote, and that's simply a link to a modules page right here that says vote here. So a number of ways to get to it. Once you get here, video's chilling right here. The Flipgrid picture links you back to the Flipgrid so you can watch all the videos that students submitted and learn a little bit about them and make your choice on who you want to vote for president. And then once you've made that decision, go ahead and click vote here, which takes you to a Google form with all our candidates. You can see we're running very deep this year. There's a lot of people to choose from, but everybody only gets one vote. So you have to pick one. So that's everyone. That's how it goes. The polls will be open this week, and I'll have it lock up at about 11:59 p.m. on Friday night. So you have Monday through Friday to vote. I said everyone gets one. You'll need to be logged into your school Google account to vote, because it's going to record your email. So I know that everyone only voted once, and the system knows everyone only voted once. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions or trouble, let me know. The Flipgrid will probably make you verify and log in with your school account to view those videos, just like you did when you were submitting them. So as long as you're logged into your school accounts, you shouldn't have any problem getting to the Flipgrid or the ballot. That's all for now. Have a great day, have a great week, and good luck to all our candidates. Right off the bat, even if you don't win, that doesn't mean you can't still be a member of the student government and an active participant. All right, have a good one.